Hello children, today we will see subtraction of like fractions and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so now let us recall what does it mean by like fractions. So like fractions, as you know, they have the denominators to be same. Now if the denominators are same, how you are going to proceed for subtraction of the fractions? Let us see this first of all. Now if the denominators are same, then subtract the numerators and put the result over the common denominator and you are done. Okay, now let's see few examples so that the concept becomes clear. See the question given here, find the difference. So first we are going to start with subtraction of like fractions. So in like fractions, as you know, the denominators are same. So let me write the fractions whose denominators are same. Okay, so if this type of questions are given, how you are going to proceed? That is, write the common denominator as given, that is 9 is given in the denominator. So write 9 and then subtract the numerators as it is, that is 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 9, and then if possible you have to reduce it to the lowest term. So 3 and 9 simultaneously comes in the table of 3. So in 3 table, when does 3 comes? That is 3 is the common factor. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. So what is your answer? 1 upon 3. Okay. Let me write one more example. Say I am writing 11 upon 13 minus 6 upon 13. So here the common denominator, that is 13, and here you have 11 minus 6. So what is 11 minus 6? That is 5. 5 upon 13. Now this is already in the reduced term, so this becomes your final answer. Okay. Now let me write one more example. Say I am writing 7 upon 18 minus 5 upon 18. So here also you can see the denominator is same, that is they are like fractions. So 18 remains same, and now what is the numerator? 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 18, and you have a chance to reduce it. So 2 upon 18, that is both have 2 as a common factor. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. So 1 upon 9 will be your final answer. Okay. Now one more I am writing, say 9 upon 20 minus 1 upon 20. So here the common denominator is 20, and now what is the numerator? That is 9 minus 1, that is here you have 8 upon 20, and 8 and 20 both simultaneously come in table of 4, right? So in table of 4 you have to think, when does 8 come? So 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So here the final answer will be 2 upon 5. Okay. Now what will you do if the fractions given are unlike? So what are the steps you are going to follow? That is, first step is you have to find the LCM of the denominators and change them into equivalent like fractions with their LCM as a common denominator. And then as usual you had done in like fractions, you have to proceed with the same method. That is, you will find the difference between the like fractions. Okay, that becomes your final answer. So let's see few examples so that you are having the clear conceptual understanding. See the question given here. Find the difference. And now I am going to give you the examples where the denominators are not same. That is, they are unlike fractions. Let us start with the question, say 11 upon 6 minus 9 upon 8. Okay. So what will be the first step? That is, you have to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. So here I will make a rough column, write here rough column, and find out LCM of the numbers given in the denominator. So here I will start with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and once again this is 4, so it's divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, and 3 doesn't come in table of 2, so 3 remains as it is. Now here once again 2 1s are 2 and 3 doesn't come, so 3 as it is. Now 3 is a prime number, so write here 3, and 1s are 3 and 1 will be as usual. Now multiply the numbers given in the first column. That is here 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So write here LCM is 24. Now one step down, write your LCM, that is your 24, and now write the bracket over here, that is here I will make a small bracket, and now I have to think, that is 6 into which number will be 24. So 6 4s are 24. Now it's time to write the second bracket. Now the same thinking, that is 8 into which number is 24. That is 8 3s are 24. Now write the LCM in the denominator, that is here 24. Now multiply the numerator with the bracket terms, that is 11 4s are 44, and now 9 3s are 27. So write here 27. Now what you have to do, that is 44 minus 27. So what is that answer? 17 upon 24. Right? Now let me write one more question. Say here I am writing 6 1 by 6 minus 4 3 by 8. Okay. So first step as I have to do, that is I will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So how I need to do? That is 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37 upon 6. Now here this will be 8 4s are 32 plus 3, that is 35 upon 8. Fine. Now you know that what is the LCM of 6 and 8? Just now we have done, that is LCM of 6 and 8 was 24. Okay. So I will write here LCM as 24. Now the small brackets, that is 6 into which number is 24? 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, and now the denominator will be 24, and the numerator terms are to be multiplied with the denominator, that is here you have 37 into 4. Okay. So what is that? 148 minus you have 35 into 3. Okay. So what is 35 into 3? 105. So I will write 105, and now I have to do 148 minus 105. So what is that answer? 43 upon 24. Right? Now the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so I have to convert it to the mixed fraction. So how I need to do? That is, this was your rough column. Now divide here 43 divided by 24. So 24 ones are 24 and 24 twos are 48. Okay, which becomes greater here. So 24 ones are 24. So here what will be your 43 minus 24? That is your 15. So write here 15. Okay. Sorry, it becomes 19, right? So here you have to write 19 upon 15, and then how will you write the final answer? That is, here you will start with the quotient as 1, then remainder, that is 19 upon 24. So this becomes your answer, right? Now let us solve few more questions. So I am writing one more question as, say, 10 upon 13 minus 8 upon 39. Okay, so here you are going to make a rough column. So you need to find LCM of 13 and 39. Now as you know, 13 is a prime number. You can very well start with 13. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 threes are 39. Even if you have started with 3, then also fine, you may do it. So here 3 is a prime number. So write here 3, ones are 3 and 1 remains as it is. So now what is your LCM? 13 threes are 39. So one step down. Why you are writing one step down? Because you are going to write the small brackets over here. Fine. So here now you have to start thinking as 13 into which number becomes 39. So 13 threes are 39, right here 13 threes are, and 39 ones are 39. Fine. Now write the denominator as 39. What will be your numerator? That is 10 into 3. The numerator to be multiplied with the bracket terms. So here 10 threes are 30 minus 8 ones are 8. So 30 minus 8, that is 22 upon 39. Okay, so this becomes your answer. Now let me go with the next example. Say I am writing 9 minus 6 upon 7. Now as this is 9, what will be the denominator? That is 1. Write 1 so that you are in the comfort zone. Fine. Now what will you do? That is, find the LCM of 1 and 7. So when this is 1, what is the LCM? That is 7 only. So write here LCM is 7. Now small brackets, 1 into which number is 7? 1 sevens are 7. And 7 into which number is 7? 7 ones are 7. Right? Now the denominator will be 7, and 9 sevens are 63 and 6 ones are 6. So now you have 63 minus 6. Okay, so here you have 57 upon 7. So now when the denominator is smaller than the numerator, that is numerator is larger, so you need to convert it to mixed fraction. So now I will divide. I will do it in rough column. 57 upon 7. 7 8s are 56 and this is 1. So now this is 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, so here I have 8, 1 upon 7. 8, 1 upon 7. Okay. Let me write one more question here. So I start with, say, 1 minus 10 upon 13. Okay. So what you can do is, when 1 is given, denominator is 1, as you know. Okay. And LCM, because this is 13, LCM will be 13. Fine. Or 1, is it possible that I can express 1 as 13 upon 13? Yes. So I can express this one as 13 upon 13 minus 10 upon 13. That is, you will have it the denominators to be same, that is they are like fractions. So now 13 minus 10 upon 13, that is 3 upon 13. Fine. If you want to do like this, that is say 1 upon 10 upon 13 is given. So you might have written 1 in the denominator. Now as you know, your LCM is 13. Fine. So small brackets you may write. So 1 into which number is 13? 1 13s are and 13 ones are 13. So here the denominator is 13. Fine. 1 into 13, I will write 13. 10 ones are 10. So here you have 3 upon 13. Are they same? Yes. So whatever you want, you may do it. Okay. Now one more question I am writing. Say 7, 3 upon 8 minus 3, 5 by 12. Now I will convert it to improper fractions. So 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3, that is 59 upon 8. Okay. Now 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 5, that is 41 upon 12. Now I have to find the LCM of 8 and 12. So in my rough column, I will find out what is LCM of 8 and 12. Okay. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and now 3 is a prime number. So what is your LCM? 3 times 2, that is 8, 3s are 24. Write your LCM is 24. Now 8 3s are 24 and 12 2s are 24. Right? Now 24 is the denominator. Now you need to multiply 59 into 3. So 59 into 3, you will have it as 177. Okay. And now 41 into 2. So 41 into 2, you will have it as 82. So now 177 minus, you have it as 82. So what is your answer? 95. Write your 95 upon 24. Now again you have the numerator bigger than the denominator. So you need to convert it to mixed fraction. So 95 upon 24. 24 4s are 96. Okay. So here it becomes 24 3s are 72. So now here this will be 3 and this is 2. So now what will be my final answer? 323 upon 24. Okay. Now see the question given here. Find the difference between 9 upon 11 and 17 upon 22. Okay. Now what you need to do when this type of questions are given, better that you check which number is greater, that is which fraction is greater, and the smaller is to be subtracted from the larger one. Okay. So here I will start with comparing these two fractions, that is 9 upon 11 and this is 17 upon 22. Now how I have to do is, that is I will convert it to like fractions by finding out the denominators as same. So this is 22, this is 11. So I need to find out what is the LCM of 11 and 22. So here I am, this is my rough column and I will find out LCM of 11 and 22. 11 is a prime number, so you can start with 11 also. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. 2 is a prime number, so write here 2, 1s are 2 and this is 1. So what is your LCM? 11 2s are 22. Fine. So this is your LCM as 22. Now 11 into which number is 22? 11 2s are 22 and 22 1s are 22. Fine. So here what is the first fraction? 9 2 2s are 18 upon 11. Okay, and here this is 17 upon 22. So now here you are in the comfort zone, that is 18 is greater than 17. So here first fraction is greater, right? Then the second one. So now you can very well do it, that is subtraction, that is your 18 minus 17 upon 22, that is 1 upon 22. I hope I am clear. One more example we will do. Now see this question, that is you have to find the difference between 7 and 1 3/5. So here this number is 7, that is a whole number. I will write denominator as 1. And which is this number? That is 5 ones are 5 and 3 8 upon 5. Okay. Otherwise also you know that 7 is greater than 1 whole. Okay. This is 1 plus something. It's not even 2. So this is smaller. Okay. So as usual you may proceed, that is 7 upon 1 minus 8 upon 5. So what is your LCM is 5. So I will write LCM as 5. 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. And now the denominator is 5. 7 5s are 35 and 8 1s are 8. So now you have 35 minus 8. Okay. So what is that? 27 upon 5. Now the numerator is larger. So 5 5s are 25 plus 2, that is 27. Okay. Now let me write one example, that is here I am writing say 3 6 upon 7 and 4 5/9. Okay, you have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So which is the whole number given here? That is 3. Which is the whole number given over here? That is 4. And which is larger? 4 is larger. Okay. So you need to write this number first. That is 4 5/9 minus 3 6/7. And now as usual, that is 9 4s are 36 plus 4, that is 41 upon 9. And 7 3s are 21 plus 6, that is 27 upon 7. Okay. So what is your LCM? That is 7 is a prime number. Both are co-prime numbers because the common factor they have is 1. So they are co-primes. So when the number are co-primes, LCM is the product of the numbers. So here I can write 63. Fine. So 9 7s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Now 41 into 7, that is 7 1s are 7 and 4s are 28. Now here you have 27 into 9, that is 243. Fine. And now what is left out? That is 287 minus 243. So what is your answer? 44. Right? So write here 44 upon 63. You have to think whether it is possible to reduce. If not, this remains the answer. So for this it's not possible. So here this becomes your answer. I hope I am clear. Thank you.